32 times 11, 352 in 3 seconds. Watch. How does one rule turn 23 times 11 into a 1-second mental calculation? Not memorization. A pattern. Most kids never see it. You're about to. Here is the rule. 11 equals 10 plus 1. So any number times 11 is that number times 10, plus that number times 1. Take 23 times 11. That is 23 times 10, plus 23 times 1. 230 plus 23. 253. Now here is the shortcut. Write the outside digits at the ends. For the middle, add the two neighbors. 2 stays. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 stays. Read it. 253. 253. Same answer. 2 paths. We call it the neighbor sum rule. Every new middle digit is what its two neighbors add up to. Boom. 11 is 10 plus 1. The trick is just place value addition with a shortcut name. Let's slow it down. 23 times 11. First, the derivation. 11 equals 10 plus 1. So 23 times 11 is 23 times 10 plus 23 times 1. 23 times 10 is 230 plus 23, 253. Now the shortcut. The outside digits are 2 and 3. They stay at the ends. The middle is the neighbor sum. 2 plus 3 is 5. Read it left to right. 2, 5, 3. 253. Yes, 2 paths. Same answer. The shortcut is the derivation, compressed. Your turn. 45 times 11, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, 4 stays. 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 stays. 495. Check by derivation. 45 times 10 is 450, plus 45 is 495. 2 paths, same answer. If you got that in your head, the rule is starting to wire. One more. 87 times 11. Here comes the carry case. Watch what happens. Outside digits, 8 and 7. Neighbor sum, 8 plus 7. That's 15. Bigger than 9. So the trick changes shape, but only a little. Write 5 in the middle. Carry the 1. The 1 rolls into the leading digit. 8 plus 1 is 9. Read it. 9, 5, 7. 957. Yes. And here is the why. 87 times 10 is 870. Plus 87. Stack and add column-wise. Ones. 0 plus 7 is 7. Tens. 7 plus 8 is 15. Write 5. Carry 1. Hundreds. 8 plus 0 plus the carried 1 is 9. 9, 5, 7. The carry is not a special case. It's column addition doing what column addition has always done. 3 things to remember. 1. To multiply a 2-digit number by 11, split the digits and put a slot in the middle. 2. The middle is the sum of the two neighbors. 3. When the sum is 10 or more, carry into the next column. The whole rule is n times 11 equals n times 10 plus n. The shortcut just automates the column add. That's the trick. That's the why. Quick check. What is 36 times 11? A. 386. B. 396. C. 416. D. 436. 3 seconds. Pick one. Now prove it. Practice 10 problems at tamilgeniuslab.com. Link below. Then come back for lesson 4. Squaring numbers ending in 5. The trick takes 2 seconds. See you there. More free courses for kids. tamilgeniuslab.com/courses